Hello student. Last time we will see formula for nth term means Tn, that is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Today we will see formula for sum of nth term, that is Sn. Sn means sum of nth term. So formula is n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or if first and last term is given, that time with this formula Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket a means first term, that is t1. So you write t1 plus last term, that is tn. So if first and last term is given, that time with this formula. If first term and the common difference is given, then use this regular formula. See one example. If a equal to 6, d equal to 3, then find s 10. Find the value of s 10. So here first term is 6. Common difference between two consecutive term is 3, and find s 10 means sum of 10th term. So first we write this formula Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and n is 10, a is 6 and d is 3. So put all the given values. So this is s 10 equal to, this n is 10, so 10 upon 2. Then 2a means 2 into our first term, that is 6, plus n is 10, so 10 minus 1 into d, that is 3. Then 2 1 ja and this 2 5 ja, so 5, and in this bracket 2 6 ja 12 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 3, so 9 and then this 3. So here first multiply this and then add this 12, so 5 into 12 plus 9 3 ja 27, and then sum is 9 and 2 plus 1 3, and when you multiply 5 into 39, 5 9 ja 45, then 5 3 ja 50, 15 plus 4, that is 19. So sum of 10th term means s 10 equal to 195. See practice set 3.3, that is on the basis of our sum of nth term means formula for Sn. So Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. So first take this example. Given the first term of an AP is 6 and the common difference is 3, find s 27. So see what is given, or first write given a, that is the first term 6, common difference is 3, and n equal to 27. So question mark is s 27. So we first write the formula Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. n is 27. So yes, 27 equal to 27 upon 2 in bracket 2a means 2 into value of a 6 plus 27 minus 1 into d, that is 3, then 27 upon 2, 2 6 ja 12, plus 27 minus 1, 26 into 3, so 27 upon 2 in bracket 12 plus, and here 26 into 3, that is 3 6 ja 18, then 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7. Then find their sum, because this 27 is not divided by 2, so first we add this and then try to divide by 2. So 27 upon 2 into, when you add this 12, 2 plus 8, that is 10. 7 plus 1, 8, and 1, 9. So this is 90. And when you divide this 90 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8, and this 5 ja, or divide like this, 2 4 ja 8, and then 5 ja 10. So here 27 into 45, that gives the answer. So say 45 into this 27. 7 5 ja 35. Then 7 4 ja 28 plus 3 31. And then 2 5 ja 10. 8 plus 1 9. So 5. And then it is 1, and this 9 plus 2 11. So answer is 1150. So yes, 27 is 1150. Then see this second example. Again read for the example. So here question is, find the sum of first 123 even natural number. So here first term is not given. We have to find the sum of first 123 natural number and their sum. So first we know which are the even natural number. So here first we write 2, 4, 6, that is up to 2n are the even natural numbers. And in this natural number, you have to find the sum of first 123 even natural number. So here A is 2. Then what is D? D means difference between two consecutive terms. So T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. N is 123. So find the sum of 123 means yes, 123 equal to question mark. So again write the formula and then put these values. So Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 123. So yes, 123 equal to 123 upon 2. Then 2a means 2 into our first term, 2 into 2. Then 123, that is the n. So 123 minus 1 into d, that is 2. Again 123 is not divided by 2, so keep as it is. 123 upon 2. 2 2 ja 4. Plus 123 minus 1, that is 122. So 122 into 2. So 123 divided by 2. Here it is 4, and 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 1 ja 2. Then find their sum. So 123 upon 2 into 244 plus 4, that is 248. And divide this 248 by 2, then this 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, and 2 4 ja 8. So here yes, 123 is 123 into 124. So multiply this number, that gives the sum of first 123 even natural number. See, 124 into 123. 3 4 ja 12, then 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 ja 3, then 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and then 2 1 ja 2, and 1 1 into 4 4, 2 1. So this is 2 15, then 8 plus 3 11, plus 1 12, then this is 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, and 1. So sum of first 123 even natural number is 15,252. See? Question number 3. Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. So first make a sequence, that is even natural number from 1 to from, or it is given between, means all even numbers between 1 to 350. So the even numbers between 1 to 350 are between, means 350 is also even number, but it is given 1 to 350 means between 1 to 350. So 2, then 4, then 6, and the last number, that is 349, but 349 is odd number, so last number is 348. This is important, 348. 350 is last number, but question is given between 1 to 350. So last term means Tn is 348. So here we don't know how many terms are there, means value of n is not given. So first apply formula for Tn and find the value of n, and then Sn. In Sn use second formula, that is Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn, because first and last term is given. So we apply second formula. If you apply that first one, no problem, but second one is easy. So here see given A is 2, D, that is T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then this last term is Tn, 348. N is to find, and that n when you use, find Sn. So you know formula for Tn, that is A plus n minus 1 into D, and this Tn is 348 equal to A 2 plus this n is not given into this 2. Then do this bracket multiplication. 348 equal to 2 plus n into 2, that is 2n minus 2. And minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, and 348 equal to 2n. Therefore n equal to 348 divided by these 2. Here it is in multiplication, so it is divide. And when you divide, 2 1 ja, then 1 and 4 14, means 7 ja, and this 4 ja. So value of n is 174. And then use this formula, because first and last term is given. So if first and last term is given, then it is easy to find by this formula. Otherwise you can find by Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2 A plus n minus 1 into D. Answer will same. So we apply formula Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn, and first term T1 is 2 and last term T1 is, that is 348. So yes, 74 equal to 174 upon 2, then this is 2, and the last term is 348. 348. So when you divide, 2 1 ja, then 2 8 ja, and 7 ja. So this is 87 into, and when you add this, 350. So yes, 74 equal to 350 into 87. Then 7 into 0, 0. 7 5 ja, 35. Then 7 3 ja, 21 plus 3, that is 20. 1 plus 3, 24, and then 0, then 40, then this 24 plus 4, that is 28. So 0 5 4, then this is 0 and 2 plus 1 3, so 30,450 50 is the total sum of even number from 1 to 350.